Hey guys, MotorCarNut here. Today we're working on a Hyundai Tucson with a 2.4 liter engine, and we're going to be checking the timing, if the timing jumps. So if you have a car that all of a sudden you shut it off, you put it back on, it don't want to start, or it's running really rough, or almost has no power, or it don't even start, I'm going to show you how to check the timing chain to see if it jumped. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take the valve cover off, like we have here. I'm going to put a link down below on how to take that valve cover off. And then after that, we're going to go on the bottom of the car, and I'm going to show you how to line it up. Once you get on the bottom, you're going to have to take the tire off. You're going to have this plastic shield there. There's 3 10mm bolts. Okay. Put that down. That hangs here, blocks this, so you have to take it off. All right. Now, up in here, all right, let me get a mirror and show you. Now, on the crank, there's going to be a little mark. I put a little white mark there, but there's going to be a little mark. And in the back, you're going to need a little inspection mirror like this one. All right, and you're going to see, I'm trying to get you to see. Okay, you see, like there's a little T on the timing cover case. It's right there, lined up with the little white mark. You see the white mark on the top? And on the bottom, there's a T. You see the little T right there? I can't point to it, but you see the top mark right there? And on the bottom, there's a T. That T is top dead center. Hopefully you can see it. All right. So now if you turn it, you're on top dead center like that. You get it like that. You see, like if you were to put a straight edge straight through, you would see that it's on that top, that it's right on that T. You could be on bottom dead center. In other words, like not top dead center. You could be on, you could be on top dead center on the exhaust stroke, not the compression stroke, because the crankshaft turns twice while the cams turn once. So if you turn it once and everything's completely off, then you know it's on the exhaust. Then you turn it again, and this is correct, and we're going to go to the top now. So now that we're on the top, there's also a mark here and a mark over here. You see this mark? Now that mark has to be in line with the block. See this little seam right here? Okay? It has to be in line with it, and it's not. It's one tooth up. Now, remember, the one on the bottom is lined up. That means that this jumped. Now, on this side, this one is supposed to be over here, because the proper way these marks are, I'll give you an idea, is one is going to be in this general area here. One is going to be lined up with the seam on the head. The other one's going to have another line on the seam on the head, and one is going to be around here. Okay? So now, this one is here. It's supposed to be here. And if you look at the lobes, all right, this one is supposed to be a little bit closer to this mark. It should be like around like this. See this one? This should be moved over a little bit more. And this one should have been all the way over here. So this definitely jumped. And that's how you check if you jump timing. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions, leave them below pertaining to the video. I answer all my questions. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for all your support, all your questions, and all your comments. I really appreciate them. Thank you.